the Cumulative Delta Indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and execute it on the chart. Additionally, traders can refer to this page, Maru, to understand how the indicator works and operates. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we execute the indicator. When the indicator is executed, a histogram window opens at the bottom of the chart. The Cumulative Delta Indicator compares the amount of buy orders and sell orders over a specific time period and displays them cumulatively using green and red histograms. This allows traders to better understand the difference between the volume of buy and sell trades, the actual market liquidity flow, and is useful for identifying price movement trends. In the Settings section. In the Input section, there are 3 options available to us. In the first part, we can choose the style, allowing us to select how the indicator is displayed, either as a histogram or a line. In the next section, we can set the indicator period, which is set to 14 by default. In the following section, we can adjust the number of candles for identifying and calculating the indicator. Here, I set the style to line, the period to 21, and the number of candles to 500, which displays the indicator in line form. The period has changed for us and the number of candles for identification and calculation is set to 500 candles, which only calculates and displays up to this range. Traders can also easily use this indicator to identify bullish and bearish trends in the market and divergences in the buy-sell volume section. For example, here we were in a bullish trend with high buying volume, and in the next section we can observe a volume divergence, indicating a potential price reversal in this area, after which we see the price moving downward. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the feedback section.